I'll share my screen.
Yeah, please, sir.
My screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
See, this is the first start of my tool. See, first thing is you should have individual PDF files, your grounds of appeal, SCN, order in original, order in appeal, APL5, all this PDF you should have. Even if you have a word or image, it will automatically take, but everything should be in one place with a proper name. Once you're done this, then my tool starts working. So now the time is 7:26. Let's see how much time it will take. So I'll just open. My screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So this is the tool. See, all this are you can refill and save it. Whenever you open, it will be already filled. You need not do again. So first thing what you need to do is, as I showed, these files you need to add. Once you add, you'll see a window where you can do some operations. Here, if you want to change name, you can do it. Or if you don't want, you can just ignore it. The pages, page number from to, all this will be there. So if it is a DRC order in original, if you want a watermark, you can check which watermark you want. You can just say. And again, if you want this APL form to be on top, you can take it on the top. First APL1 and annexure. Once everything is done, you can just say wait. So I'll just select output file. So our tool is working. Now we got the output. Next, we need to sign. You have to insert the digital signature and you have to connect the digital signature after entering the pin. So now it's coming. Now you can replace the files or you can create a signed version one more or you can use the same. Now tool started signing. Yeah, done. We can open the output file here. We started at 7:27. Now it's 7:28. 1 minute. Now we have this individual files, which can you upload directly to the portal with clear name, party name, with the year. All these things are ready. This is the individual file which you can upload, and this is the consolidated file. What you get in the consolidated file, first page is a covering page, and the second page is index that will automatically prepare. And all the index is linked. For example, if you want to go to DRC7, you can just go to DRC7. In each page, which document it is there on the top, DRC7, and the page number and footer is on the bottom. This is the appeal number and appellate name and year in dispute and which document. Each page it will be same. Then again page number and page number as a hyperlink. You can click the page number, you'll go back to index. And if you want to order in original, you can go to order in original.
Anna, can you please demonstrate the bookmark feature also?
Yeah. If you click on right side, there is a bookmark where you can directly go to any document which you want directly there. I think in the ordering original, we have added the
self-certified.
Watermark that it will appear. In each page it will appear. If you want, you can also have only in the first page. And also, if you see in the left side top, if it is order in original, it says order in original. If you go to show cause notice, it will show cause notice at the left. And also, if you come down in the footer, appeal number, company name, year in dispute, and show cause notice. So again, it has the link. You can go back.
Can we avoid those names? Can we customize, like if we don't want the names to be appearing, can we leave that blank?
I show you. See, this is the output file. I just wanted to demonstrate that. And you can see this is the digitally signed. It's verified. It's ready to upload. and even each file is digitally signed. All individual files, you see it's validating, it is digitally signed. Okay. So in one click of a button, you will get all the required 8 files which were there in the input. It is here in the output. Yeah, so this is the entire process. Now I'll go through the go through the entire features and I'll explain how we can do customization. I'll just add one more bulk file. So now if you see here, can you see here one volume 1, page number 1 to 69? Can you see in the below this table?
Yes, we can see that.
Yes, sir. We can see that.
Here. Okay, I'll just add one more file. It will show how it will go. Now, if you see the same, it's increased by 2 more volumes. Based on the settings, 50 MB and 250 MB, the volume got increased. Now I'll just delete. I'll just delete the output file. It's 3 volumes. I'll just show how the volume will look like. So here it will take a little bit of time because it has to run through different volumes. Now it's done. Now we have three volumes. Now in this volume, the advantage is it will show in which volume what document we have. This is the index. If you see the first page 1 to 69 is one volume, page 70 to 112 is second volume. This is the index, and also we have right side table which showing in which volume we have. Immediately by seeing this, we can go, and also it's linked within the same file. It have all the link, and we have all the book. Okay, so this is the volume how it will get created. Now I'll we have a once you do all these things, if you want, you can save this project. And we have default. Once you do corrections, you can save this settings so that next time that settings you need not do it. And also we have a setting for page watermark, where now it is only 3 options are getting. Now if you want 4th option, you can add here. You can add new watermark, MW, and this is the color. If you want which color watermark you want, you can pick it, pick from this. And this is the if you want full transparent, then it will be 0. If you want full bold like any other document, then it will be 1. If you want in between, you can give 0.85 or 0.5, so it will be visible off. And the font size, it will be by default 48. It will be too much. You can have 18 to. If you want diagonally appear, then you can add. That is not a point for us. So this is the how watermark get added. Now, if you come here, you can you will have one more additional option. Have one more additional option. And once you add the files, this is editable, page number it will come. If you don't want this separate files, you can untick it. When you can use, for example, if you have uploaded 4 invoices separately, then what happened in my tool, it will give 4 separate invoice and separate file. But if you don't want a separate file, then you need to untick. By default, everything will be ticked. So you need to untick this. And the watermark position also you can set. It is I given top center. So if you want, you can change and save the options. So this is the left side. If you take on the left side, this is for a designing cover page. Now, before GSTAT Bangalore I have given. If you want, you can change it and save it. This is appeal number, respondent, appellant and respondent, appeal memo, what it will come in the center. This is the entire color design. If you want, you can change the color, font size, and footer. Year of dispute, the page number. I have taken standard 1 of 100. If you want only one, page number 1, you can change it. And also where you want the page number to appear, you can change font, bold, italic font, you can increase. If you want to count even the index, then if you click this, index page will be taken as 1. But in my thing, index will not be counted in the page number. Page number linked to the index, that hyperlink given in the page number. If you don't want, you can untick. If you don't want footer, you can untick. If you want footer, then footer item, you can select what you want, appeal number, you want respondent, appellant. And if you have one future file name index, that is what this APL file. For that particular file, it will take APL file. For this file, it will be annexure. This will be printed at the bottom. And if you don't want on the bottom, you can take it to front, wherever you want, you can change. Then again, index, if you don't want, you can remove that. And next option, splitting, I given by default 50 MB into 50. If you want, you can increase. Year of dispute, you have to mention, so that file names will be with the you see the individual file that you need to update, it will have form, appellant name, and year of dispute. And again, compression, as Annapurna told, there were a lot of confusion whether color is required or gray is required. You can just select which one you want, color, gray, black and white. It will take it. And if you want to compress the files, you can tick, but it will take a little bit of time, but it will compress your PDF file to some extent without losing the quality. Then index page, which you have seen, it will be blue color by default. If you want, you can change it. Plain, no color, there is an option. Other colors also, purple, gray, whatever you want. But professionally, blue will look good. So I have done this as a default. If you want plain without any color, just words and tables, you can select plain. Then OCR, you can give a normal OCR. If you want forced OCR in every page, then you can see what happens in this. If some text are there in the file, it will see that there is some text and it may not do entire OCR. Then you can apply forced OCR. Then you have languages for OCR. Then digital signature. We have an option whether digital signature you want in last page, first and last, all the pages, or in a custom 1 to 10. Anything you want, you can mention. And what has to be mentioned in the digital signature, that option is also there. Then again, if you come to right side box, this I told this watermark and the positioning of the watermark. So once this setting is done, you can save the settings and finish. So this is all about this tool. Yeah, over to you.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. This is some crazy stuff which you have built, sir. There are a few questions related to software. Is there a feature to customize the index table?
Yes, I told white, black, and that volume will automatic.
Okay.
If you I share again.
Yeah, we saw that. But apart from that, any other changes are possible?
No, that's all. You can
Okay.
edit the content, but no other changes possible. Color, edit content, you can do it.
Okay. Also, one question from Sharda ma'am. Can I save my customizations to make it default?
Yes, at the top, I have this default window. Save current setting as a default. Once you do that, Next time when you open the software, you need not do any other things. Add the files, generate it. Sorry, I had two features I forgot to share. One is preview. Where is the placement of footer and other things? You can preview it before running it. And one more, as Nupuna was saying, if you physically print and sign, then first thing has to be done. If you are signed, scanned everything in one PDF, then you have to browse that one scanned PDF and then you have to split. So to split, you have to just give the starting number. So ending number will be taken based on next digit. So it will take 1 to 2 and you can give a name for this SCN. And third, maybe 50 page, you can give OIO and balance OIA and you split that PDF. PDF will be splitted according, and the name also will be taken care as per this. If you see, we have two files, SCN, OIO, and Word. Then again, you can add this to my tool to start other indexing and other things. So if you have one big file, you can still split with giving automatic.
Multiple.